showbiz fanatics, finally Alden Richards bears all about the relationship status nila ni Miss Catherine Bernardo. Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Before anything else, of course, nais ko po munang magpasalamat at i-shoutout ang lahat ng mga viewers po natin, yung mga nag-aabang po palagi sa ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po. And for today's video, ayan, bumida po itong si Mr. Alden Richards sa isang sikat na magazine or preview magazine kung saan ay talaga namang ipinakita at talagang trending na naman po si Mr. Alden Richards. Trending siya, 9,390 post dito po sa X na dating Twitter, pinag-uusapan at talaga namang parang araw-araw ata naka-line up po si Alden Richards na laging pinag-uusapan sa social media. So sa kanyang interview, Alden Richards is everything you would look for in a textbook leading man, tall, good-looking, and beaming with a polite and pleasant talk. His equally famous set dimples could make an entire nation swoon with a simple smile. The actor revealed in a constant state of buzz surrounding his name, whether about his on-screen or off-screen endeavors. Recently, Asia multimedia star caught the internet's attention when photos of him jogging along Ayala Avenue went viral. It was typical internet fodder, seeing an A-list celebrity engaged in an everyday task and looking so good while doing so. For Alden, it was just him making the most out of car-free Sunday morning. Right now, I'm really into fitness, CrossFit, and I run a lot. I still want to do things I used to regularly do. Despite my field of work, he's a prop on a makeup chair. At this point in his career, the Sparkle GMA actor is well aware that he leads a life far from the regular citizen, becoming a trending topic on the daily, for better or for worse. Alam po natin yan na lagi po siyang talagang pinag-uusapan, hindi po naaalis sa trending list itong si Alden. And this time, dahil po dito sa kanya pong inilabas na preview magazine, of course, humarap po siya sa lahat ng mga media press, and hindi rin po naiwasan na tanungin ang patungkol sa real score and real status ng kanilang relationship ni Miss Catherine Bernardo. And this time, ito po yung isa sa mga naglabas ng kanyang interview, ang GMA Integrated News. It was posted a while ago, 10:54 AM, May 7, 2024. And this is what the content, sabi dyan, Alden Richards talk about his close bond with Catherine Bernardo in his latest magazine cover. Yun po talaga yung, kapag po nagkaroon kasi sila ng mga projects, imposibleng hindi sila haharap sa isang interview at imposible rin na hindi matatanong yung kanilang mga personal na buhay patungkol dito. As the cover star for preview May issue, Alden opened up about being paired with the top actress following the numerous sightings together through the months. Whatever is happening between Kat and I really want it to be personal. Ito po yung ilan sa mga binanggit at mga statement ni Mr. Alden Richards nang natanong siya patungkol po sa kanila pong relationship ni Miss Catherine. So, sabi niya ganon, kung anong daw di umano yung nakikita natin sa kanila, mas gusto nilang maging personal ito. Kahit po sabihin natin na sila ay public figure. You know why? Because ina-adapt po nila yung klase ng relationship na meron po si Coco Martin at si Julia Montes. Si Coco and Julia po, nakikita natin sila na magkahawak ang kamay, nagpupunta sa iba't ibang lugar, pero never po silang umamin sa social media. So ayaw nila na maging pulutan, na maging parang maging sila talk of the town kung ano man yung magiging relationship nila ni Miss Catherine. So gusto nila maging secret na lang, kumbaga parang ayaw nila maging public consumption kung ano man yung good things na nangyayari sa kanila or yung pagle-level up ng kanilang relationship. Asia multimedia star also said that he and Catherine remain friends even after starring together in 2019 blockbuster hit Hello, Love, Goodbye. The friendship never ended. Naging solid din talaga yung samahan namin lahat when we were filming, and right now, I'm just quite overwhelmed, sabi po ni Alden. The actor and businessman is also thankful for the positive reception Kat then had in the film. I was actually surprised with how people react Alden said, "I don't want to be the first person to say a lot of things about it, but I'm glad that it's being received well." Alden went to Catherine's 28th birthday celebration in El Nido, Palawan last March, and Alden attended another Catherine's birthday parties after that, where he surprised her with a bouquet and box gift. And aside from this celebration, Alden was one of the guests of Catherine's housewarming party in April. Alden previously commented on the real score between him and Catherine and said that what you see is what you get. On being shipped by fans online, Alden said hindi lang din talaga kailangan laging ipinamamalita sa social media yung mga ganyan. Ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na tinotoo talaga ni Alden Richards yung kanyang laging sinasabi na private life is a peaceful life. Sometimes yung mga personal things that happening, better be personal na lang. So, yun po yung ilan sa mga pag-amin ni Mr. Alden Richards, which means na kung magkakaroon man sila ng relationship, kung ano yung nakikita natin sa kanila, kung saan naiispatan po sila na nanonood ng sine, nagde-date, magka-holding hands, pero hindi yun para umamin sila sa publiko na sila na talaga. Mas gusto talaga nila ng pribadong buhay, pribadong relationship. Ayaw po nila na parang i-disclose nila yun sa publiko. Kaya wag na tayo masyadong magtampo sa dalawa, no? Ma-enjoy na lang natin kung ano man yung nakikita natin sa kanila. So, dahil dyan, narito ang ilan sa mga komento po ninyo o reaksyon patungkol sa ating latest updates. At ang unang reaksyon ay mula kay Ma'am Teresita Mercurio. Sabi niya, "Always waiting for your vlog about Kat Den. Hopefully it's all true. So happy to hear about that. Heart. Yan. Thank you so much for always watching our videos. And of course, another comments, masaya ako ngayon kahit hindi pa sila, basta palagi magkasama. Thanks God." Ayun. So marami po talaga yung mga mas happy na nakikita natin na parang sa moving forward and healing process po ni Miss Catherine ay nakikita natin unti-unti talaga na talagang nakakabangon na siya dun sa 11 years na pinagsamahan nila ni Daniel, ano? And for that, syempre happy naman po yung mga followers po ni Catherine at ni Alden Richards dahil nagkakamabutihan na talaga silang dalawa. Sabi ni Miss Amelita, "Salamat sa mga news mo. Masaya ako nakikinig sa mga pahayag mo, lalo na kina Kat at Alden. God bless you. Maganda yung pagpapahayag ng balita." And of course, sabi po ng isa pang comment ni Ma'am Elsa, "Tao lamang sila tulad natin. Nagmamahal. Give them space to enjoy their love life. God bless Kat din." Ayan. So tama po, no. Let's give them chance na ma-enjoy nila yung each company, 'di ba? Kasi nga 'di ba parang ito yung time na talagang inilaan ni Alden Richards for Catherine Bernardo to forget kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa kanya in the past. And another comments, sabi ni Miss of Sun, kaya kung ako kay Alden at Kat, magsaman sila para tumahimik na mga yan, total stable na sila. So, gano'n naman po yung kanyang comment. Sabi ni Ma'am Joy, "So happy, thank you Miss Alora. Love you, heart. Please, gabayan mo sila, heart. Love ko sila, nagsimula yan sa hello, love, goodbye." Ayun, yun yung pag-amin ni Mr. Alden, that after hello, love, goodbye, talagang naging maganda yung relationship ng lahat, no? Hindi lang ni Alden at ni Catherine, pero yung friendship still remain, kahit hindi po sila nagkikita for the longest time ng kanila pong movie. So, thank you po sa inyong komento. And for another comments, sabi po ni Miss ng isa pang komento, sabi niya, "Wow, good friends ang Kat Den since 2019. We are happy to Kat Den." Ayan na po ang sabi ni Miss Gula Angeles. And Mr. or si Sir Compatible, "Kat Den, heart. Sana true na kayo nakilig match. Wait ko movie nyo." Ayan. So, thank you so much for your comments. And kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-like, nag-share, mag-subscribe sa channel na ito, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone.